Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Mango salsa is an interesting dip to go with nachos, tortillas, or chips. Let's see how to make it today. Take half raw mango. This mango has become slightly soft. It is on the verge of becoming ripe, but you can take proper raw mango also. Cut it into very small pieces. Transfer it to a plate. We will chop everything and put it on this plate now. We will also use half ripe mango and cut it into cubes and scoop it out. This is the Alfonso variety, and that is why you can make uniform cubes, as it is very clean and there are no strands inside. Scoop it out, put it on a plate. Now chop 1/4 capsicum into small pieces. Make sure not to use the seeds. I have de-seeded the capsicum before chopping it. Cut into very fine pieces. Smaller the better. Now transfer this to the plate. You can use less or more as per your taste, but I have used all equal quantities. Peel one cucumber. Chop off the ends. Taste and see that it is not bitter. Sometimes the cucumber is bitter. Chop into very fine pieces. Cut one tomato. You need a very sharp knife to cut this small, or a serrated knife also will do. Transfer this into the plate. Now chop ginger, very small quantity. It should be around 1 teaspoon. Then 2 green chilies. This is optional. If you like it spicy, then you chop it and add it. Add chopped coriander leaves. These are washed prior to chopping. Transfer these to the plate. Now add tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons, salt. We don't need to add sugar as there is mango, but if you feel that the raw mango is sour, you have to add little sugar. Mix and transfer to a serving bowl and serve this as a dip with chips or nachos or tortillas. This also tastes good with bread toast. You can try it that way also. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching my recipe. If you have liked it, please subscribe, like and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.